Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make animated scribble effect on car parts easy in After Effects. Let's begin. To make that effect, we will need to mask car parts, and to mask I will be using Mocha AE and a Roto Brush tool to show you both masking methods. First I will mask out the wheel. Let's duplicate the clip and rename it to wheel. I will begin with Mocha AE, so let's apply it on wheel layer and then click on Mocha here. In Mocha, select an elliptical tool and mask the wheel as smooth as possible. Once you are done masking, enable perspective and then click on tracking button. As the tracking is finished, click on save here and close Mocha. Now expand matte and click on create AE masks. Since we have a mask on a wheel, we can apply a scribble effect. Make sure you are at the beginning of a wheel layer and then click on start and end stopwatch icons to create keyframes. Just make sure that both are at 0%. Now scroll to the end of a wheel layer and then bump up both to 100%. Press U on a keyboard and then scroll to the beginning. Now from the beginning, scroll 30 frames forward, hold shift and press page down 3 times and make sure to move start keyframe there. Now scroll to the end of the wheel layer and then scroll 30 frames back, hold shift and press page up 3 times and then move end keyframe there. Let's quickly check it now. And Scribble Animation is ready, but if you zoom you will see that the scribble is above the wheel and it looks a bit weird. Let me show you a quick and easy fix. Duplicate wheel layer and then delete scribble effect from it. Now press M on a keyboard and change mask mode to subtract. Expand mask settings and then decrease mask expansion until it looks better. It's fixed and looks cooler, and now let me show you how to use a Roto Brush to apply scribble animations. Let's duplicate original clip and I will move it above wheel layers and then I will rename it to door. Scroll to the beginning of a door layer and then grab a Roto Brush tool and double click on that layer. Let's rotoscope the door as smooth as possible. Once we are done, we can click on freeze button. As the freezing is finished, let's close rotoscoping window. The door is now isolated, but to apply a scribble effect, we need a mask, so it means that we should convert the Roto Brush selection into a mask. Let's go to layer here and select auto trace. Check work area and then click OK. After a second or two it will be done and we can toggle on masks from here to see if it created a smooth mask on the door. As you see we have a smooth mask and it means we can apply a scribble effect now, but first I will toggle off masks from here, so we can see all changes clearly. Now let's simply do the same we did with the wheel. And here we are done. In case you want to make changes to the scribble effect, feel free to play around with the fill type for example. Also you can change the angle and other stroke settings. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.